Hello, I'm Hickey from Interest.co.nz and welcome to the Roost Home Loan Affordability Report for June. Now this is a series of reports on all sorts of regions in New Zealand where we look at home loan affordability. It's sponsored by Roost Mortgages, and the report for June shows a slight deterioration in the main measure for home loan affordability. But it is better for first home buyers and it's better for households overall. The general trends are that house prices across the nation are broadly flat. They're increasing a bit in Auckland, and we have record low interest rates. Also, incomes have increased a bit in the last year or two. Now, what the report shows is that for a double income young household, so that's two young people on two median incomes for those people in a certain age bracket who have no kids, they can afford a first quartile home with an 80% home loan, and it takes 21% of their after-tax income to afford that. Now that's well down on the same measure from June 2007 when it was 35%. And in fact, it's the best in 7 years for first home loan affordability for a household. Now when you look at major household affordability, so that's two median incomes or 1.5 median incomes for those people buying a median house, it's around about 34.6%. Now that includes a household with a 5-year-old who's on working for families. Now that's well down from where it was in November 2007 when it was 54%, basically unaffordable for a household. And in this month, in June versus May, we saw a slight deterioration to 52.6% from 51.3%. However, all of this depends on low interest rates continuing, and that's what everyone's focused on now in the next couple of months. When will the official cash rate be increased, and how much is it likely to be increased over the next couple of years? Remembering, floating mortgage rates are currently about 5.75%, and most people now are on floating. The Reserve Bank is expected to increase the official cash rate from December, possibly as early as October, and it'll increase it around 2%, which would mean the floating mortgage rate would rise from about 5.75% to about 7.75%, maybe 8% over the next couple of years. And that will be a factor affecting home loan affordability, as will increases or decreases in house prices. But there we have it, the Roost Home Loan Affordability Report for June, showing home loan affordability overall has deteriorated somewhat in the month, but remains near its best levels in 7 years, and first home buyer household affordability has improved to its best level in 7 years. I'm Hickey from Interest.co.nz, and that was the Roost Mortgages Home Loan Affordability Report.